For the QnA Summit, well, selling is a hard thing to do, right? So you have to go hard on it, and it's not that easy to sell anything. So especially if people don't know what this is. This is one of the biggest events. Let's take the Web Summit out of the way, and the QnA Summit is for sure the best event happening in Lisbon in entrepreneurship, within the entrepreneurship paradigm. This is for sure the conference with the biggest ROI ever. We're going to have such brilliant speakers in one room in one entire day, that if you're an entrepreneur and if you're in Lisbon and if you're missing out on this amazing event, the QnA Summit on November 2nd, you're fucking up. You're not taking advantage of what the city has to offer.